Today, we're at Docklands Harbour, all set for the 9:30 p.m. fireworks. The atmosphere is buzzing with excitement. Before the fireworks, we explore the area. Food carts fill the air with mouth-watering aromas, and we couldn't resist stopping to watch people dancing with headsets. It was like a silent disco. It's amazing to see so many people out here sharing this magical moment. What made this experience even more special was celebrating it with friends who feel like family. Moments like these remind us how lucky we are to have them. And then it happened. The fireworks began. This is it. Callie was absolutely mesmerized, and honestly, so were we. Colors, the sounds, the energy, it was all breathtaking. We're so happy to have experienced this together. It's nights like these that create memories we'll treasure forever.